Hello guys, today we will create like this handlebar 3D. Now let's dive in. First of all, open Chrome browser, then search GrabCAD. GrabCAD is an open source, free source of CAD model. So let's wait for the loading. Once the page is loaded, then go to the library and search for the bike handlebar. Okay, let's wait for the result. Uh, before you can download the CAD model, you have to log in first. Okay, so after login, you search library and you can download the desired part. There are many models. I'll choose this, and you can download the models in one way or particular one file. So this is the option for downloading all files in one zip, and there is another option. So you can uh, download only one specific file, let's say strap. So click here and click download. So here you see handlebar step file is downloaded. So now we will go to the NX. Open NX. Open NX and till then you can follow my profile at GrabCAD. Uh, that's okay. And now NX is started. Now let's click new file, and the file directory you can save it anywhere you want. I have created a text file in that folder. I have created another folder named reverse engineering pipe part. Okay, you name it whatever you want, and then folder is created. Okay, then name the NX part file, which is handlebar. Anything will be okay. Click OK. So model interface is there. Now file, import the step file you downloaded. So choose the directory from the OK. Click OK. Okay. Wait for the result for the import. Waiting. It is taking too much time. Waiting, still waiting. Okay. What man? Okay. The handlebar is now loaded. So including handlebar, the rubber part is also there. So there is a tip. Right click mouse button and slide down. That is a shortcut for hiding the object, any object. So right click hide, right click slide down hide, right click slide down hide, right click slide down hide. I see there is a scrap part. Okay, unwanted object. Right click slide down hide. Yeah, so this is the part we have downloaded and converted into a step 2 CAD model. So the file we have downloaded, there are many bodies. So there are 6 bodies, and we can group them in a folder named as input or input data, receive data, whatever you want. So only 3D pipe is shown, rest is uh, hidden. So copy the pipe body paste in another folder. Okay, named as WIP. Okay, now I'm clearing the our 3D part. Uh, that can be done by Control plus J. Okay. Uh, so now I'm about to find the command extract geometry. That is the tip. So Control 1, a pop-up will come out. So you can drag the command into top border or left border. So like this, search your command name and drag to the bar. Okay. In extract geometry, you can extract various object. I have clicked the composite curve. You can see the highlighted edge. So click the point. You see the point can be generated on the particular origin. Okay. I will choose the line command and starting point, ending point, clicking one point and clicking another point such that a line is created. Uh, After that, I'll hide the body. You see, the line is created. Okay. The line can be created by another way that is super fast, easy method. So in curve, there is a command extract virtual curve. It creates the center line of rounded part, cylindrical part. So if you click the straight portion of the tube, the along the length of that surface is line is created. Okay, so there is no difference between them. Uh, and now I'll do create center line of straight portion part of the pipe throughout the body. So choosing the extract virtual command, clicking all flat surfaces, straight surfaces, click OK. Now you see, I'll delete the line using the virtual curve only. So okay, the straight portion is created. Now it's time to create a flit or banded curve. So using bridge command, uh, so select curve 1, curve 2. See, line has two ends, one end, another end. So click one end, you want to create the flit, one end, and click another line. Okay, and click apply. If you click apply, the command will stay awake. Similarly, you create all the bands. Click, click. Okay. Now you see the curve, center line curve is created for the pipe. Now click object, select no filter selection and clicking face, you see the diameter. Similarly, measure the diameter of inside tube. It is 21. Okay. So OD is 23, ID is 21, means thickness is 1. Now creating a sketch, creating on path, clicking the curve and OK. So Now here you create the pipe profile, creating two circle. One of them will be 23, another will be 21. Uh, Now it is 21. So now we have to extrude this section profile along the whole curve. Let's see. So I'm searching out a command sweep along guide. Yes, let's see it is there in menu or not. It is not in surface, not in home. In insert, yes, no, it's not there. I cannot find it. Uh, no, it's not in the menu. Let's search the command, do it from there. Okay, now selecting the section curve. For the section curve, we have multiple options from the filter menu. So first is the single curve. For single curve, only one curve is selected from the sketch, one by one. And when it is in connected, the single connected curve is selected only, and there is a tangency followed curve will be selected. For feature, the whole sketch is a feature actually. For face and seat, there is no curve. For reason, that is very good option. So when there is a closed boundary curve area, it select the closed loop circle. Okay, now we have selected invert curve. Now we are selecting the guide curve with tangency. Now you see our part is created. Yes, we have did it. You see there are sharp edges which is visible. We have a command so that we can visualize this part with no edges. So we have to uh, make it on first. That command sharp edges is not yet available. So I'll search it, uh, make it on, which is in effect gallery. Yes, so now effect gallery is there and smooth edges. Smooth edges is visible. So you see, that is a good visual than before. Yes, it is very good. Now, now it's time to compare it with the our input pipe we have downloaded from GrabCAD. We will compare it with that. Okay, let's hide all the curves. Be there on the solid. I'm coloring my solid part. Okay, so that we can compare. If both are in same color, we cannot make the difference, see the difference. So that's why we colored it. Ah, I have did the section view for checking if it is solid or not solid. Okay, so I'm unhiding the original body. So you see it is overlap and it is 100% okay. Seems okay, yes. Hmm, very good. Okay, now it seems okay. Yes, it's okay. Okay, now I'm suppressing my created body. We will do it with another command, which is sweep command, sweep in tube. So for tube, we need to have the guide curve, and we can select, we can create the pipe body by entering the outer diameter and inner diameter. So it is the same thing. Yes, we have to do the color. So Control J, coloring, selecting color. Okay, okay. Yes, we have did it. It was very fast. Hmm. So tube command is very good command. Other than doing the section and guide along curve, it was good. But for the pipe section only. Yes. So now I have an option. Now I wanted to show if we receive any STL data, how can we do it or convert it in NX? So before that, I don't have STL data. What I will do, I will create my own STL data with this pipe. Okay, so I'm exporting. So this pipe is exported in STL. Now importing it again into this file, STL. Okay, selecting. Okay, okay. So NX has, I imported this as a convergent body. The special thing about this STL is that we cannot select any edge, point, curve, face. So I'm trying to select it. It is not selecting. I'm trying to create a sketch. Yes, it is not selecting the face. I'm also trying with the point, but it is not taking the region. Yes, that is about the steel data. So in upcoming video, in next video, maybe soon, I will do the tutorial. Comment in the comment box STL convert. I will share the next video link to you. Thank you.